Hey guys, my name's Anthony. Channel's name's E34 Black Widow. I'm back again. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. Enjoy this video. It's my new quad, 2009 Yamaha Grizzly 700. So here's the quad. Like and enjoy. Post a video at the end of me riding it, trail riding video. Stay tuned for that at the end of the video and click that. But here it is. I just got this quad about, I think, 3 weeks ago now. I've driven it a few times. This is a 2009 Yamaha Grizzly 700 Special Edition. This is a very nice, it's a very nice quad. We'll do a little walk around here. It's on 26 by 12 tires, 12-inch rim. It's got a 2-up seat. It does lock. I got the got my chain and lock there for when I take this thing out. I lock it to the truck so nobody could steal it. Second brake light there. Now I don't know much about quads. This is my first quad. This one's got some kind of red flames. Looks nice. I'm not sure if that's what makes it a special edition or what. Comment below. Tell me what makes this thing a special edition. It's a pretty nice quad. It's got a winch. It's definitely not in great condition, but it's not bad. I mean, it works. It does what it should. Just your standard, park, reverse, neutral, high, low, I guess. Heated grips. The thumb grips also heated. Let's see. It's got so my quad's got 296 hours, 162.5. That's what I put on it so far. So it's got 3125 kilometers. It's got the rack up here. This is a mount for my GoPro. I put a piece of wood in there because it wasn't tight enough. Yeah, I don't know what to say. It's just a really nice quad. I got this quad for a good deal because the frame was rotten. Frame was cracked in multiple spots because this guy, only thing he used it for was a snow plow with a salt hopper or something, and the frame just got rusted. So we brought it home. We sleeved the frame because these frames are just hollow tubes. We sleeved them with, I think, 1-inch round bar. And then we plated the hole underneath of the frame, reinforced it like crazy. So these are normally, you can usually, they're hollow. They've got a full, I think, 1-inch or 3/4-inch bar, solid bar all the way to the front, and welded welded the back. And then this is part of the plate. You can see the plate underneath. So it's tied everywhere. Yeah, this quad's really strong. I'll show you a few of the spots that the frame's cracked that was repaired. Right in there, that control arm mount was completely snapped right here and here. It's welded now to the bar underneath. Yeah, so there's the plate there. So the plate basically ties both sides of the frame together, so it's one solid piece. The welds aren't the greatest, but you try welding rust, it's very hard. It's very strong. I've taken it on trails. There's no movement in the frame or flex. So let's start this thing up and we'll give some revs and you can hear what it sounds like. So she runs very smoothly. Yeah, no hesitation at all. Like I said, I've never had a quad before. I don't know much about quads. This is a 700cc. I've never ridden anything less. So this quad right now, it's got tons of power for me. Even with the second person on the back, it still has more than enough power. It wants to lift the front tires off the ground if you give it all the way with two people on it, probably because of the extra weight, but still, it's very powerful. Seems to be very reliable so far. The biggest, I've only ever gone 40 kilometers one way with this quad. So I parked at the trail my truck and I drove 40 kilometers up the hill. That's all I've ever done. I haven't been comfortable going any farther just because, again, I've never owned a quad and I haven't owned this quad long enough to know what it's going to do. But I just know that it runs very well. It's a very nice quad. So yeah, if you like these kind of quads, subscribe to my channel because I'll be doing lots of stuff with this quad. I'll get some here's some revving clips. That's power. Anyways, I hope you guys liked this video. That was my 2009 Grizzly 700 Special Edition. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Please remember to give it a thumbs up. And you have a great day. See you next time.